Hey guys, this is Abhijit and today we are going to discuss about actions class in Selenium. So, so we will discuss about how the mouse over on a particular web element works and how to right click on a particular web element using the actions class in Selenium. So before starting our program, so let's learn about actions class, what exactly it is and why do we use it. So actions class, it's a class provided by Selenium that is used to handle the mouse and keyboard events in Selenium. So the examples are right clicking on a web element, or you might have seen there are some menus, example in Flipkart. So you have to hover over the menu and then only you can see the sub menus, right? So how to do that using our actions class? So we can even do the drag and drop using our mouse, so we have to use the action class for that as well. So while interacting with the actions class and performing some of the above mentioned actions in Selenium, so we use build.perform. So this is the syntax. So build.perform is basically used to build a sequence of actions and perform the current build actions. So let me create a new class and we will go over our program and we'll see how it works. So for today's session, I have taken the example of jqueryui.com. So I'll show you that website once. Yeah. So this is the website we are going to work today. So what I am going to do is, like, first we will go to this contribute menu. So you can see there are so many sub menus, right? So if I want to click on this website sub menu, so how I am gonna do it? So if I directly get the locator of this website sub menu and try to interact with it, it is not going to work, right? Because it is hiding under the contribute menu. So first what I have to do is I have to mouse over on this contribute, then I can click on this particular documents or websites, these submenus. So let's go and write our program. So I have created a new testng class. So what I have done here is system.setProperty. I am using Chrome driver, so I have provided those details. Then WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver, then maximizing the window and providing the URL driver.get jqueryui.com. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is we will click on the menu contribute, and then we will try to interact with this submenu website. So we have to perform it using actions class. So actions, new actions. So we have to provide driver here, right? Then we have to move our mouse to the move our cursor to that particular uh, menu contribute here. So how we gonna do it? So act, I'm sorry, dot. So we have move to element method here. So we will provide the location of this particular web element. We will get the locators and all the details. Let me inspect this one. So basically the same way, driver.find element we are going to use here. Okay, so here it is. You can see, right? This is a link. So we have the link text here. So let me copy that. Driver dot find element by dot link text, and we have the link text here. Dot build dot perform, as I told you at the beginning of the session. Yes. So now what we did is, like, our code will mouse over on the particular web element, particular menu contribute. So now if I want to click on any submenu under contribute, so I can do it straight away. So let me inspect any particular submenu under this. So let me inspect this website one. So again, as you can see, this is also a link and we have the link text. So let me copy this, driver dot find element by dot link text. So let's simply click on this. So we will run our code once and we will see whether we are able to get inside the menu contribute and we are able to click on the submenu website. Let me right click and run this one. Okay. So Chrome driver has started successfully now. Browser is launched. Maximized. jQuery UI is opened. So now contribute is expanded, then clicked on websites. So our code is working perfectly fine, right? So this is how we interact with the menus and we hover over the menu and we get the submenus. So if I want to right click on any of the particular menus here, so this way, and I want to open it in new tab or any I want to perform any other actions after right clicking, so how we gonna do it? So let's modify our code and we will see. So let's inspect this plugin one. We will inspect this. Let me drag it down. Okay, so plugin. So this is also a link. We have the link text here, so I'll copy this. So what I'm gonna do here is act dot context click. Context click is basically for right clicking. Then we will provide driver dot find element by dot link text plugins dot build dot perform. So right clicking is done. So how we are going to do, uh, let me close this. So I have right clicked using my program. So how we gonna click on open link in new tab or open link in new window? So how we gonna do it? We have multiple ways for that. So today I am going to use robot class for that. So it will be a new kind of learning for you guys as well. So how to click down using the robot class. So let's do that as well. Robot equals to new robot. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to click on key down because it is on the right click is here right now. So we have to click one down so that it will come here, then we'll click on enter. RBT dot key press. Okay, then key event dot vk underscore down. So this is the format how we are going to use the robot class. Then now our cursor is on this element, open link in new tab. Then what we're going to do is we will simply click on enter. So the same way rvt dot keypress event dot vk underscore enter. Now that's it. So what we did here is like we have the actions act equal to new actions, then we provided the driver, we are using chrome driver here. Then context click is basically like it is the right click one. So then we provided that particular element detail, web element detail here, on which web element we are going to right click. Then build.perform, as I told you, like this is used to build the sequence of action and perform those built actions. So then we used robot class here. So robot class basically what why we used is like to uh, click on the right click menu, right click sub menus. So open the window in new tab, open the what was that, open the link in new tab. So for that we use robot class here. So let me save this and let me run this one. So driver started successfully and browser is launched, maximized, then our URL is loaded. So it should right click on plugin, it did, and it clicked on open link in new tab. So that's it, our code is successful. So I hope you guys are pretty much clear about this actions class and how to perform actions on a particular web element. So basically the mouse and keyboard actions on a particular web element. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try to resolve them. Thank you for watching.